Welcome back. Law Commission on Friday called a special meeting of Police Department, Women's Commission and Social Welfare Board to seek suggestions on how to curb attacks on tourists. They have suggested strong police force and a special court in the state. Chairman of Law Commission Ramakant Khalab said that they would forward their report to the government.
Law Commission on Friday held a special meeting with different stakeholders to take a firm stand on the attack on tourists in Goa. Goa is losing its image as a safe tourist destination. Law Commission along with Police Department, Women's Commission and Social Welfare Board decided that the state requires strong police force and setting up of a special court.
खंयच्याच टुरिस्टाचेर कसलोच प्रकारचो अत्याचार जावंक जायना, बायलांचेर जावंक जायना, भुरग्यांक आमी सगळ्यांक सांबाळूंक जाय, मागीर ती भारतीय आसूं किंवा भारता भायली आसूं. त्यामुळे अशा प्रकारच्यो ज्यो कितें घटना घडटात ताका खातीर एक खास कोर्टाची निर्मिती, खास पुलीस फोर्सची त्या संदर्भातली संवेदनशील अशा स्वरूपाची एक संघटन आणि एकंदर गोंयकारांची मानसिकता ह्या संदर्भात आमी काही सूचना गोवा सरकाराक आमी करपाची आसा.
Ramakant Khalab told media that police department needs more policemen and training.
तर त्यांचे अशें म्हणणें पडलां की तांकां काही ट्रेनिंगची गरज आसा, खास ट्रेनिंगची गरज आसा आनी एक पुलीस टुरिस्ट फोर्स तयार केल्लो पुलिसांचो, जाल्यार कोणी VIP येतात आनी कोण येता तांकां काडून दुसरे कडेन व्हरतात, ताचेर कितें तरी प्रयत्न जावंक जाय आनी एकंदरीत पुलीस फोर्सूच कमी पडटा अशें पुलीस खात्याचें म्हणणें आसा.
Khalab expressed need of fully functional forensic lab in the state.
आमचे कडेन फॉरेन्सीक लॅबॉरेटरी ना. जर समजा रेप सारको विक्टीम जालो तर त्याच्या नंतर काही भितर हेचे करतात, पुलीस जे सॅम्पल्स वगैरे घेतात त्याची तपासणी जावपाक जाय. ती लॅबॉरेटरी हैदराबादेक वतलेली ती किंवा बेंगलोराक धाडटात किंवा आनी खंय धाडटात आनी वेळ लागता. तर ती सोय गोंयांत आसपाक जाय.
A reporter from Porvorim, Surendra Madkekar with video journalist Ganesh Hodkar for Prudent Media.
Locals of Majilwada, Anjuna are strongly opposing a farmhouse construction by Panorama Harvest Collective Farming Society. Locals claim that Panorama is constructing 3-storied building in the name of a farmhouse. They are blaming Panchayat for issuing permission to this project. Panorama has denied any such activity and has assured to correct any illegality if found in the execution of the farmhouse.
Panorama farmhouse project at Majilwada, Anjuna is facing the brunt of locals. Locals claim that a big construction is coming up in the garb of farmhouse. They are strongly opposing it.
When we came to see the site, it was noticed that the constructions are coming up, and there is a board showing that the farmhouses are coming up in this plot. Suppose these farmhouses.
फुडल्या आनी हे तर कितले 40 हे बंगले बांदपाचे आहा. हेचे कारण कितें? आमी खाला रावता, आमचे बांयांक सगळे टॉयलेटाचें उदीक येतलें. आमी तें टॉयलेटाचें उदीक आमी खावपाचें? कोणूच एक्शन ना. पंचायत पासून एक्शन घेयना हांगा. इंस्टॉल तेंचे सारकें आहा म्हणून सांगता म्हणटा पंचायत. हें कितें?
Chairman of Panorama Harvest Cooperative Society said that they are not doing any illegal activity. If there are any, then they are ready to rectify it.
आमची लँड आसा पळय ती फार्मिंग लँड आसा आनी अकॉर्डिंगली आमी परमिशन घेतलेलें आहा ती पंचायती कडसून आनी एवरीथींग इज लिगल आसा. आमी एज पर नॉर्म्स जे TCPन आनी पंचायतीन दिल्ले आसा त्याच प्लानाचेर आमी कन्स्ट्रक्शन करता एंड ते 1 एकराच्या हितून 100 स्क्वेअर मिटर ऑक्युपायड करतली कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक आनी ते तेजे फार्म हावस आसतले आनी कितें इलिगल आसा जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी प्रूव करून दिवचें. आमी तेजे नेसेसरी एक्शन घेता.
But Sarpanch is advising people to approach the court.
लोक म्हणटा कितें की ते फार्म हाऊस बंद कर म्हणून. आमी सांगले पंचायतीन लायसन दिल्ले, पंचायत ते रिवोक करूंक शकना. तुमी खंयच्या कोर्टा कडेन वचा, कोर्टाचे खंयचे हें हाडा, तेणी बाबा कितें रॉंग केला जाल्यार आमी मागीर तेचे रिवोक करता म्हणून. दीस इज आवर प्रोसिजर. कारण फाल्यां आमी जर डायरेक्ट रिवोक करीत पंचायती कडेन आमचे कडेन इतले फंड ना केस घालून पे करपाक तेंचे कडेन.
A reporter from Anjuna, Shamsundar Fatte.
Calvert Gonsalves has argued before the court that collector banned his CD just to appease the crowd. His advocate said collector has no authority to ban the CD. The matter is scheduled for order on 17th February.
Advocate Radharao Gracious, Calvert's advocate, has alleged that collector banned the CD just to pacify the crowd. Court will pronounce order on this matter on 17th of February.
District Magistrate has no powers to ban a CD. The collector or the district magistrate has sought to appease the crowd wrongly. So that is our objections to the ban on the CD. The next date is for orders on 17th of this month. Yeah.
Grace is informed Father Daigo has sent a notice to Archbishop complaining about his defamation by the parish priest of Maina.
Father Daigo himself has sent a notice to the Archbishop way back in May 2008, claiming that he has been defamed by the parish priest of Maina and demanding that action should be taken against the parish priest. Father Gualbert Pereira has filed a written statement, and allegations, I would not want to air those allegations on the media, on the TV, because they are absolutely defamatory. There is no doubt about that. And Father Daigo has done nothing about it after issuing a notice 2 years back. If Father Daigo felt he was affected, he was defamed, he should have acted and filed proceedings as threatened by him under that notice.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
An illegal construction was sealed at Wade on Thursday evening. The sealing was ordered by CEO of Mormugaon municipality. The house owner has alleged the CEO of harassment.
On Thursday evening, MMC workers and officers sealed an illegal construction at Wade. They sealed the ongoing construction of Pearl Pereira's house.
Court order.
Court order na. This is the order.
This is the order of the chief officer. I don't care. No, he is not on leave. He is on leave. He is not in the office. It is court order. He is not. He is from yesterday. He is from yesterday. He is not. He is on leave. And he is going. No, he is not. Chief officer leave करना गेला. He is gone from yesterday.
Siwan personally phone किया.
No, what is the date of it? I will show me the date.
He is not going to leave.
MMC officer Anand Satoskar said that the construction is sealed by the order of Mormugaon municipality CEO.
As per the order of the chief officer, the municipal staff has visited the site at Wade where the illegal construction is going on of Flori Pereira. Courtan किती order केली पास ती माका खबर ना, पण court आम्ही असला present courtan सांगले you take initiate the action against that construction as per the provision of the municipalities act.
त्या ऍक्टाच्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही आता
आम्ही त्या ऍक्टाप्रमाणे आम्ही त्याका शोकान नोटीस दिलेली असा.
Owner has alleged CEO of harassment.
Let your house collapse and let you all die. I will give the repair license in the next season for you. I will not give it now. You do what you can.
chief officer
SV Naik. But here what you need is everything influence and kama jata. आमच्या लगे influence na. And neither we are in a position to give them bribe. The chief officer also wanted bribe that of 1,750 to transfer the house tax from my father's name to my mother's name. Which I told him, you do that favor for me, as a social service, you pay that on your behalf. Because I am just working and I am making my two ends meet. That anger he has got on me.
A reporter from Wade, Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.